Apple has done it again. The iPhone 15 series is the ultimate smartphone lineup that sets a new standard for the industry. With 4 models to suit your needs and preferences: the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. You'll get a device that's loaded with amazing features and stunning design. Forget about the leaks. The Wonderlust event has revealed the official details of the iPhone 15 series, and they are mind-blowing. Here are 13 major upgrades that make the iPhone 15 series superior to its predecessor and the rest of the competition. The iPhone 15 series has a titanium frame, which is not only stronger than stainless steel, but also lighter than it. It's also brushed, which means it won't be a fingerprint magnet like the stainless steel. Apple replaced the mute switch with an action button that you can configure to do certain tasks, and these are some of them. Apple is finally saying goodbye to the notch, as all 4 iPhone 15 variants will now have a dynamic island. Apple has also reduced the size of bezels on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max to the point that it's gonna be the thinnest we've ever seen on a smartphone. Regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus still have the same size bezels as the 14 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max have a 17 chip, while the regular variants have last year's A16 chip. A17 is made using a 3nm process down from 5nm, which is not only way more powerful but also way more efficient. So you're not only getting a significant speed pump, but also better battery life. The iPhone 15 series has a remarkable improvement in battery performance, thanks to the new 3nm efficient chip. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max can last longer than ever before. You don't have to worry about running out of juice when you use these powerful devices. Apple unleashed a major RAM upgrade for the Pro models of the iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max boast 8 GB of RAM, up from 6 GB in the previous generation. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max was rumored to have 256 GB as the base option, but that was not true. Unlike the previous generation, which started from 128 GB, the new models also offer 128 GB as the base option. And that's not all. You can also opt for a massive 2 terabyte variant, which is the highest storage ever on an iPhone. Apple finally provided USB-C functionality across all the iPhone 15 variants thanks to the U. One of the biggest pros of using USB-C over Lightning is the significant increase in speed. However, Apple limit the speed increase to just the Pro variants, while the regular variants still have the same transfer speeds as Lightning. Surprisingly, the USB-C cables that Apple is providing inside the box are braided, which are not only thicker and of high quality, but also longer than regular cable, which is highly appreciated. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max offer these 4 colors: dark blue, Titan gray, black, and silver, while the regular models offer midnight, light green, yellow, light pink, and light blue colors. Apple for the first time is including a periscope zoom lens only on the iPhone 15 Ultra. It offers either a 5x or 6x optical zoom, which on paper is less than Samsung's 10x optical zoom on the S23 Ultra. But Apple is using a 48-megapixel telephoto camera compared to Samsung 10 megapixels. So coupled with software optimization, it is possible that there won't be a significant difference in quality even at 10x zoom. Apple has raised the price by $100. But it's a small price to pay for the amazing new features and upgrades that the devices offer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next.